Want to make a pair of stylish crochet earrings in just 10 minutes? With only yarn and a hook. Today we're crocheting these cute, round puff earrings, simple, quick, and perfect for beginners. Grab your hook, and let's get started. We will use a 2.0 millimeters crochet hook for crocheting. Take out green yarn. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3 counts as height. Yarn over and work 5 unfinished double crochets into the ring. Do not finish each stitch yet. Leave the loops on your hook. Yarn over once, and pull through all loops on the hook to complete one puff stitch. Chain 3. Yarn over, go back into the same space, and crochet another puff stitch made of 5 unfinished double crochets. Repeat this pattern for a total of 5 puff stitches around the ring. After finishing the round, chain 1. Pull the loop tight and join the beginning with a slip stitch. Pull up the loop and fasten off. Attach white yarn. Pull through a loop, chain 3. In the same ring, crochet a puff stitch made of 5 unfinished double crochets. Pull up the loop, fasten off, and neatly weave in all ends. Trim off any excess yarn. Open a jump ring and attach the crochet piece to the earring finding. Use the same method to make the second earring. And that's it! 10 minutes, a brand new pair of crochet earrings. You can mix and match different yarn colors to create endless styles. Let your creativity shine and make a pair that's uniquely yours. Don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see your finished earrings. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.